Tata Motors has always set benchmarks. Anything new from us has to raise the bar. The new Zest is one perfect example. It hits the right spot.
A car and its possessor, they have a unique relationship based on emotion. The design of this car reflects that emotion which has gone into its creation. The sketches of Zest shows a confident dynamism, the first ever realization of Tata Motor new design identity. Even when the car is at rest, it reveals motion.
I see colors differently everywhere. The color harmony of Zest is beautiful and unique. The careful selection of the materials has finally paid off. The entire interior is like a cocoon of premium design, and it makes you feel like you are submerged in art.
Speed. I know it, I understand it, I feel it. In fact, I just felt it. 90 PS of raw power coupled with 140 Newton meters of torque. That's 140 Newton meters of torque. All this from the 1.2 liter Revotron engine. A revolution in performance. A culmination of nearly 3 lakh hours of research and testing development. I am sure the Zest is going to push performance envelopes.
The new Zest has undergone rigorous testing procedures. I tested it, and this car is built to withstand the very extremes. We took the car through temperature ranges from -45 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius. Speed tracks, torture tracks, crash test facilities, and the Zest excels everywhere and beats them all.
Technology tickles me. With the Zest, we're shifting the car connectivity paradigm. Of course, the Zest has automatic AC, but what if I tell you can control it with touch? Now that's something I'm talking about. Seamless smartphone integration? I mean, picking and dropping of calls is a thing of the past. If you can send, sorry, can't pick up, I'm driving, then that's the next big thing. The system has been exclusively designed with Harman, the leaders in sound. The instrument console tells you information which is mind-boggling. These systems communicate with each other and the car. This is the next level of connectivity.
Zest is a masterpiece of manufacturing. Attention to detail is very important to us. 400 robots have worked with me on this program while making this car in the BMW shop. So the output is very exact and precise. Being a part of this program since inception, I can confidently say that there is no other car like this in India. It beats top-notch international quality standards. It is a true combination of design and speed. And hey, I am proud to be part of it.
It is the young spirit that pushed the project. Innovative mind, special attention to detail. These are the things which made the Zest.